Did you just do the washing up? You're a good boy, aren't you? Thanks for doing the washing up. Are you going to lie down on your comfy side? Hey, you've just had drugs. Are you going to lie down on your comfy side? Thanks for doing the washing up. I ruined my knife, one of my knives. My bocker. I did it a while ago. I dropped it on the road and took that chip out of it. So I've just been inspired to repair it. So the rough whetstone in there, and then some finer oil stones. Cheers, Jeremy. But I'll have to do quite a bit of work on it. I'll have to take quite a bit off, and I might even make the edge shallower, if you like, sharper. See you later. Get in there. So you don't have to be too gentle for getting rid of the majority of your blade. Nicely reshaped. Now I'll finish it. That's how you sharpen a knife. I've actually just give it a final finish by doing it like that on my trousers. I'm impressed, Bruce. You're always hungry, aren't you? Why are you always hungry?